I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a back to school makeup tutorial, and this is going to be like a quick and easy one. Something that I would do maybe for like first day back at school or like first week back at school, and after that I'd probably get lazy and like stop wearing makeup. But you know, if you wear makeup or not is your choice. So yeah, this is just something that I would do for back to school. If I were going back to school, I'm not, so yay. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button to join my family, and also hit the bell button to be notified whenever I upload a new video. I upload every Wednesday and every Sunday, and yeah, I hate long intros and so do you, so let's just hop right on into the video.
Until I find the day, the only words I know that you. Until I say the only words I know that you. Until I
know you see it, girl. This ain't sitting real good in my soul.
It's not gonna work for you. Nobody can equal me. No, no. I'm gonna sip on the shirt when I'm fucked up. I shouldn't know how to pick her. I'm gonna catch the rhythm while she push up against me. Ooh, she tipsy. I had enough drama for 24. I picked you from across the.
Or that way, I don't know. Jennifer, do you remember?
I know you're playing games.
Yeah. You know, I just had a little bit too much of Hennessy. Just gonna tell you how I feel. Look. You so fucking precious when you smile.